high scale guys. Today we have platform scales like this. This is CPS, model is CC-220, and this is pretty tricky scales. This is made in USA and stuff like this, but to calibrate these scales you press Terra button and turn it on, hold it, then you see 1D, you press Terra button, then you choose your model. Our model is 220, you can choose 110, 220, 220. I have 220, so I press 220 and confirm it by pressing Terra button. So I press Terra button again. Now it's asking us about zero calibration, but before we need to choose units. So we press kgs, and now we have kgs units here, and it's ready for zero calibration. So we press Terra button to calibrate zero now. Nothing on the platter. So now it's asking us about full capacity. The thing is, I calibrated several times with full capacity, it shows me half of the weight. So you calibrate it with the half of full capacity. This is the thing. And when you put half of the full capacity, which is 45, it's about 99 and stuff like this, but you need to put, it shows you 45. But when I put 35, every time I have error. Every time I have different numbers and it was wrong. So to calibrate them you need to put 45, 200, 300, 60 grams. And at this point it will be good calibration. But every time I put several times 45, I put 100, every time it was wrong. So the only way is 45, 360, and you press Terra button, it's ready for full capacity, we are ready, and now it's ready to calibration. So, and you can see it here, when I press Terra button, it was too fast, but if you make a pause it shows 45, 360. And you should look at this number when you calibrate different model, like it will be 110, it will be different capacity, so it shows you different weight. So look at this number, what it shows so fast. And now when I start moving the weight, I have minus 360, which is 360. I have minus 5, 360. So now calibration is done. So it's pretty tricky scales. Be careful with them, guys. That's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, guys. Please subscribe.